Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in today's one, I'll be vlogging my trip to Taiwan. And once I'm there, I'll be exploring the streets, showing you around the main attractions, eating a lot of food, and hitting up some arcades. So definitely stick around. But if you're new here, I'm Sebastian, a medical student from Australia. And it's gonna be a bit of a different one to my normal medical sort of videos. I'm currently on summer break. I've just finished first year, so really excited about that. And this will be my first international trip in 10 years, so super fun. I'm with my girlfriend Deborah today, so you'll see her shortly. But right now, we've packed our bags and we're gonna make our way to the airport. Safe trip, bye-bye. So at the international airport, and we're by the food court. We just got in and we're having something to eat, we're just having a chill time, watching the planes all go by because there's a big glass window that's just in front of us. So we're going to Taiwan and we're boarding in 5 minutes. If you don't know, Deborah's actually Taiwanese. So she's been to Taiwan multiple times and she's visited, and she tells me it's a really nice place. So I'm very keen to go. Fun fact, Taiwan invented bubble tea. So compared to the share tea and the cha time and the gong cha that we get in Sydney, for those locals that know what I'm talking about, hopefully the bubble tea over there will be a lot better.
And cheaper.
And cheaper.
So much
cheaper too.
Welcome to Taiwan.
So we're on our way to the MRT, and we just picked up our SIM cards and our travel passes and iPass, was it?
Yes.
The iPass. So we're going to take the train now to our hotel. You didn't win anything?
Nope.
What we're gonna do is oh sorry.
What do we got there?
50-cent coins. For $10.
What are we gonna buy?
Try this one more time, just hold on.
Oh, those are like Hello Kitty.
Am I gonna get this? Can I try that one?
Oh, no, it's purposely released.
Yeah.
Do you want to try it on?
No, let's try the machine.
Hey guys, so we're in a Taiwanese arcade just nearby our hotel, and we're trying to play some games to win, but we tried 3 and we didn't win, so we've got another 5 tokens to give it another shot.
Actually, this is probably a hard one to do.
Yeah, because it's like a rectangular box you're trying to get in.
Oh no, oh no.
It's tragic.
Nope.
What do you got there?
This is why you come to Asia, because you can get very, very cheap Yakult.
Yeah, we just passed by Family Mart, and there's a lot of drinks there, and there's some bougie
bougie milk tea.
Milk teas, milk tea.
Bougie coffee in like a cylinder. And I was gonna say Taiwan is the best. No contest. This is green tea mochi donut. Can you like break it up into little rings?
Thank you. So I'm outside the Din Tai Fung.
Nope.
There's a lot of people behind me, as you can see. It's packed, like you can't even find a spot. I don't even know where to move. But this is the city street behind it. It looks pretty cool. Deb just got a ticket.
I just got a ticket for Din Tai Fung, except there are so many people, as you can see.
Yeah, so you can see there. Yeah, there's a lot of people behind us, and we're just sort of chilling.
This is the #1 original store, so everyone comes here.
Yeah.
And like lots of locals here.
And what's
as well.
and what's the
wait time is 40 minutes.
wait time is 40 minutes.
Bamboo shoots.
The expert pro tips on how to get a xiaolong bao. I'm pretty sure I said that right. You have to grab the top, get your spoon ready. Dip it in here. Yeah, and some sauce. This is vinegar and soy sauce. Poke a hole. Poke a hole. Thank you. And then sink out the soup. Smoother, and it's just, I don't know, more bouncy, more tangy. I don't know, it hits you better. So, very nice. How many is it meant to be?
22 or 23, I think. I think. What's the inside? Ooh. It's really juicy. It's like the inside of a xiaolong bao, but with prawn. Very good.
Hey guys, so we're just walking around the streets now. We're going to, what's the district called?
Guanghua Sangchang.
So electronic districts, and we're going to shop around for a bit. So we're just walking in. Just found the gaming section of the level, and there's like a lot of stuff here and a lot of games and a lot of computers. The gamer's dream here. If this is me back in year 11, I'd have loved it.
What we're trying to win,
How much?
it's $490. Do you want one? $50.
Yeah? We just rocked up to a photo booth now. We're in like a mini arcade. It's right next to the electronics store.
That one?
Bottom right one. Bottom right one. And now we're just choosing our whole photo frames. We're gonna take a photo in a second. There it is. Oh, that's cute.
Look at it from it's just like a squishy little thing. That's all it is.
Ah, it's a little squishy ball. So there's the big capsule machines everywhere. And it's all color coordinated. Games as far as you can see. It goes everywhere. But they're pretty expensive, like $7 Australian for one of the little capsules that we wanted to get, like a penguin one.
Can you?
I got it.
Finally.
Go on. Oh, and you get more marbles. Ah, that's how it works. Straight after the arcades, we've made our way to the Xinyi district, which is considered the cosmopolitan district of Taipei. It houses various shopping malls and entertainment venues, as well as the famous Taipei 101 and Taipei World Trade Center. But right now, our first stop is the Xinyi Elite bookstore. Opened in 2006, this 8,000 square meter bookstore makes it the largest in Taiwan, with more than 1 million books. The place is massive. It has multiple floors, 6 floors above and 2 floors below ground level. Most of the books are in Chinese, but they also have books in Japanese, English, and other European languages. Once you're inside, you'll find that the place is very quiet, and many people are sitting down because they allow reading on the premises, with several designated tables and areas. Although most of the floors are fully dedicated to books and reading materials, you'll also find a small marketplace selling local and imported snacks, a food outlet in the basement level offering light food and beverages, and other areas selling stationery, CDs, and audio-visual equipment. The building is packed with things to do, and each floor feels well laid out and very interesting. Deborah and I found ourselves lost walking through each of the levels and having a look at everything on show. And having all these smaller stores inside a bigger one made us forget that we hadn't left the store. And if you're in Taipei, it's definitely worth the visit. You might even find something as interesting as what Deborah just found.
This is a manga about rabbits. It's me.
So we just finished a massive feast with some of Deb's family friends, and they treated us to a big meal. So we had a lot of food. There was just so much to eat that I'm absolutely stuffed. And we've had a wander through the city, and we found this really cool laneway. So you can probably see some of the lights behind me. Picked up some bubble tea on the way, and Deborah's just looking around these boutique stores. It's really crazy because you got this street, and then you just got all these boutique stores scattered around the area. And then you have like a person making street food just 5 meters from it. So I think it's really cool. And we're probably gonna call it a night after this once we get back to the hotel. Thanks so much for making it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, could you please chuck us a like? That really helps. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I'll be posting the rest of the Taiwan vlogs soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. Comment down below if you had any more questions or if you wanted to share some of your experiences if you visited Taiwan before. But until next time, this is Sebastian. Stay sharp.